Hindi, baka meron naman. Maaga pa. Shout out to Jar. Pareho na sila eh. May points kasi plus 6, 1-1 plus 16. Ayaw kasi 1-1 pero negative pa. Kasi ang laki ng tambak. Score 2-0. Bakit? Oh, wait lang. Labas ka muna. Goods na. Lyson, no good. Okay, good ah. Wow, nice pass by Ivan pero ang lakas. Ivan again. No good. Okay, foul. Parang pinagliisa pala ka ito ah. Ha? Pag 5 minutes, nasab ka. Okay, 2-2, score 0-2. No good by Gel, rebound by Borja. No good. Block! Nice block! Okay, 2 points by Gel. Score 0-4. Last 5 minutes. Yung sasaba, lalapit dito sa table ha. Okay, bad pass. Steal by Gaa. Two points! Suwabing-suwabe yung tira nila. Score 6-4. Borja, 8 seconds to shoot. Hindi nga pwede yung ganun-ganun. Lumipad si Lyson. Sayang. Last 4 minutes. Justin, no good. Grabe, talo lang po nila. Ang lalakas ng binti. No good. Okay, wait. Okay. Lifting. Lifting. Oh, labas na, labas. Three minutes, 36 seconds, 14 to shoot. Okay, bad pass. Dire-diretso. Kalingasan. No good. Brother to brother. Lyson, no good. Grabe naman ang pagtatalon. Ang sarap tumira pag ganyan kalalakas rumibang. Okay, tumawag na. Traveling. Wala na po yun, ha?
Milaw. Milaw siya, milaw.
Hindi, dalawang step na yun eh. Bawal yung ano. Kung isang angat lang. Sinabi ng referee, pag isang angat lang, isang hakbang good yun. Pero nakadalawang hakbang ka, hindi pwede yun. No good. Kalingasan, 2 points. Score 8-4. Time remaining 2 minutes 25 seconds. $14 to shoot. Borja, no good. Rebound by Kalingasan. Nagmamadali, parang may lakad. Lyson, 2 points. Score 10-4. Speed versus nice. Uy! Lyson, no good. Ah. Time. Okay, good ha. Good. Nice pass. Ang ganda. Uy, nagdrama lang. Sayang. Foul ba? Foul daw, foul. Foul daw. Tumawag si Jen. 1 minute 37 seconds, 14 to shoot. Ilan may spare, pare? 5? 7. 2 points by Justine. Score 10-6. Time remaining 1 minute 20 seconds. $12 to shoot. Okay. Good. Grabe. Pull up, no good. Okay, good. Gel. Last 35 seconds. 14 to shoot. Libre. 2 points. Sino yun? Pedinho, 2 points. 31 seconds. Red. Last 24 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 seconds difference sa shot clock. Last 14 seconds libre. Borja 2 points. Score all 10. 12 seconds remaining. 12 seconds. 8 seconds. Kalingasan, nice fake. No good. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Score 10-12 in favor of Team Black Sheep. 12-10. Lamang na silang dalawa. Okay, yung magsasab, sumap na ha. Back to the ball game tayo. Sino Kamil? Sabi. Mas na. Okay game, magsasab po, sumap na ha. Papalitan po ni Mel Alejo si Ivan Tyson. Dun sa kabila. Diyan, yung lima nyo pa rin. Yung lima nyo pa rin. Walang sasab. Okay, back to the ball game. O, para may isang game pa tayo ha. Para one more game. Okay, labas na po, labas na. Labas nyo na. Bola po nila. Dito bola oh.
Bola namin, bola namin.
Okay, game. Para may isang game pa tayo. Magsasabi ka kung magsasabi. Back to the ball game. Advance sila. 12-10. Dalawa lang po inahabol ng Team Ivan. 7 minutes, 14 to shoot. Kalingasan. Nakita. Wow! Pero may foul ata, may foul. Okay, labas na po, labas na. Good na po yan. 2 points. Score all 12.
Depensa.
Time remaining 6 minutes, 35 seconds. Steal. Alejo, ang ganda naman nun. 3, oh! Ang ganda naman nun. Unselfish pass by Aldamia. Running time po tayo ha. Kunting paalala lang. Pedillo, no good. Rebound by Aldamia. Oy! Good. Oy! Parang hot potato yung bola. Okay, foul. Nakalabas na yan, ha? Okay, foul. Labas na.
Hindi, nag-hard foul.
Eight seconds to shoot. Hoy, ang lakas na. Wow! Sayang yun, libre si Borja. Nice. Oh. 12-14. 12-14. Kung hindi kaya, meron sasab dito ha, sabi na. Health first.
Sipag naman kakampi mo.
Wow! Grabe naman yun. Dito bola ha, bola ng Black Sheep. Counted by Jel. Score all 14. Number 11, Lyson. Pinasa kay Aldamia. 12 seconds to shoot. To Kalingasan. Blanca ng gilid. 5 seconds to shoot. Traveling, tumama. Mamili ka. Travel o double. 2 points by Bora. 16-14.
Sa Teresa.
Okay.
Ito, tingnan mo rin. Basta dead ball ha. Pag dead ball.
2 points, all 16.
Diba?
Sino sasabat? 4 minutes, 32 seconds. Parang first wave lang po ang labanan. Oh! Rebound by Justin. Oy, nice drop. Sayang, hindi pinasa. Okay, foul. Pedilio, no good. Rebound by Kalingasan. Grabe, ang bilis ni Aldamia. Pero may foul, reaching foul. Jen. 4 minutes, 9 seconds, 14 to shoot. Bigay na po agad ang bola. Alejos, nice drop. Kalingasan, easy 2, lamang na po. Lamang na ang Team Laison.
Sarap lang sumablay sa inyo. Wala nga, tatlo rumi-rebound eh.
3 minutes, 50 seconds. Aldamia, naghahanap ng papasaan, binalik kay Alejos. Alejos, nagdadalawang isip, 7 seconds to shoot. Alejos, no good. Kalingasan. Okay po. Substitutions! Wait lang, sab muna. Alejos out. Ivan Laison in. 3 minutes, 32 seconds. Wow, good, good. Good po yun, good. Nice pass. 2 points by Gel. Score all 18. Nice transition offense by Gel. Nag-end one. Pull up, nice drop. 2 points by Laison. Grabe yun, dagger fadeaway shot. 2 minutes, 54 seconds. Pedilio, 10 seconds. Okay, foul muna daw, foul. 2 minutes, 48 seconds, 14 to shoot. Okay, foul daw, foul. Kala ko, dagger 3. Nice shot by Justin. Score all 20. Two minutes, 17 seconds, 14 to shoot. JR Laison, no good. Rebound by Aldamia, no good. Wow! Nasa ere.
Si Justin, tumawag na lang si Justin. Wala pa sa labas yun.
Okay, para maayos, jambol. Pre, pa-jambol na. Jambol na lang dyan sa free throw lane. 2 minutes, 5 seconds, 14 to shoot. Tumalo na po yung tatalon kung sino yung tatalon. Dito. Twenty-two, 20. One minute, 50 seconds. 14 to shoot. Sayang, malakas lang ang pasa kay Pedilio. Laison. Hindi pwede yun. Steal by Pedilio. Wow! Nice reverse shot by Jel. Nabubuhat po ni Jel ang Team Black Sheep. 2 points by Aldamia. One minute 14 seconds. Oh, sayang. Time out, Team Lyson. Namakin na yun. Advance kayo, Ivan. Advance. Dito. O, 14 pa rin yun. Tumawag naman dito. Di ba na rin? Sorry. Sino sasaban? Sino sasab? Okay, pass to. Mag-20 ka muna. Matapos na to, 57 seconds na lang. Okay, back to the ball game. Dali po para may isa pa po tayong game. Game. 57.9 seconds, all fouls, may free throw na. Kalingasan to Ivan Lyson. Nice cut by Alejos. 2 free throws kung may foul ha. Wala ba diretso? Ay no, oh. Two free throws. Lahat ng foul po sa last quarter. Automatic free throw. First shot is good. 22-25, 50 seconds remaining. Back-to-back shot by Alejos. 22-26. Both teams may tigisang timeout na lang. Cedillo block. 41 seconds, 16 to shoot. Nice lead by Ivan. Last 35. Pull up. Good. Manipis dito bola. Manipis. Labas muna. Labas dito. Naman kayong apat. 28 seconds. Game ha. Hoy, backward. Backward muna. Eto, meron po tayong testigo dito. Half court. Backcourt muna daw. Eto, testigo. Backcourt muna. Dito. 25.8. 25.8 seconds. Okay, foul. Nakakapit eh. No good. Oh, naman kayo apat. 16.6 seconds remaining. 12 seconds. Okay, foul. Foul muna, foul. Free throw. 10.2 seconds, 10.2. Twenty-two, 27. 22, 28. Time out. May timeout pa kayo isa. Hindi, meron pa sila. Ibisa na lang sila eh. Ay, thank you.
Makalimutan ba? Makalimutan?
Para dubit din.
Napatingin ako, kala ko 250 talaga. Okay game, back to the ball game. Marami yan. Okay game. Okay, pwesto na po kayo ha. Pag nilabas po yan ng ano, bahala kayo. Ako na, pre. Opo, kuha na po kayo, sir. Ay, ma'am. 10.2 seconds, ha? Three! 25-28. Okay, wait. Foul! Sa ulo. Kita naman eh. 2 free throws. 2.8. 2 free throws, Jen. Ay, si ano pala to? Yung naka-gray. Makukuha niya po eh. Nabaunan sa ulo eh. First shot, no good. 2.8 seconds ha. Wala na pong timeout. Ang team black sheep. Okay ha.